Alright guys, we're going to attempt to install an ABS kill switch on this IBEX today. These come factory with ABS, but you can't turn it off. I think some of the newer ones you can, but this one you can't. I have the 2023 800T model for reference. So I got this switch here, got from Throttle Punks. They're overseas, check them out online. It's a simple switch, has two little connectors on the other end. Instructions look like you have to take all of this off, including the tank, but it looks like we can do that without going that far. I think one screw and a couple grommets that come off. And then from there, we're gonna follow this wire. You see this wire, I believe that's like either a speed sensor or an ABS sensor wire. But anyway, we're gonna follow that wire and it's gonna come to, and this guy right here. Now he was secured by this rubber piece, little strap. I've already undone that. We're just gonna basically disconnect that and connect the switch to that. All right, you can see already there, I got the two ends that are that green one and then the open one. And I'm basically just fishing through the top here. Fishing it through down there, then eventually I'll hook that up here. All right, so yeah, I got this piece here that came down. That was, had a rubber strap to hold it up. And now I have essentially my switch bypassing this here. So these two are gonna go up to the handlebars to my switch. I'm gonna get this all tucked in and tidy. And we'll fire up the bike and make sure that all works. Okay, so you saw switch is on. Hit the switch, you'll see the ABS light come on. That means it's ABS deactivated. You have to cycle the key in order to get ABS to come back on, from what I've found. So hopefully this helps somebody out. I'm gonna test this out in the real world here in the gravel eventually. We'll slam on the brakes and make sure that actually work. I'm assuming it's disabling both front and back. But that's what we got. Here's the switch. I don't love how this just kind of hangs in here, but it's the best I have for now. But all right guys,